100th pre-competitive skill test. Yesterday, it was mentioned by my honorable friend that the crux of the problem is the question of payment of remuneration to a particular managing agency system full stop. The aptitude for the higher post and the officer's relative seniority in the cadre, and the greater the disparity in seniority, the greater should be the junior officer's superiority full stop. It is the intention that officers in the cadre which promotion is being given should be considered for permission full stop. They would be excluded from among the rest which looks suitable for promotion should be left out, the waiting should then be considered on the basis of what is stated in paras above, and suitable among them can be selected full stop. New paragraph. Then came Wednesday noon, and he was sure that no one got out of bed as moment sooner than was really necessary, when it was too warm! A week of hard work was before them full stop. Day school, homework and office took up to our time, and there was almost no time at all for play full stop. Life was too busy full stop. Our life at that time was made up of working throughout the week and playing hard at the weekend full stop. Never for one moment did any of us ask what on earth we could do in future full stop. There was always something left to be done, even if it was only ironing a dress full stop. New paragraph. He said that in this bill a definite encouragement has been given to the alternative type of management, namely the managing director, where an individual has been permitted to take, while in the case of the managing agency it has been permitted to take about. It is not merely the question of remuneration which will decide the alternative type of management full stop, unless and until you allow a certain amount of flexibility for any system to function, it will not be possible to evolve any other system to take the place of the managing agency system full stop. In spite of so many shackles, you may find that those few business houses which are carrying on now may have to carry on the present basis full stop.